Want to track your key metrics at a glance? Let's explore how to build and customize dashboards in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over here into your dashboard, and then in here we have our default one. We just need to head over right here to Reporting and click on Dashboards in order to see everything that we have so far. From this case, you can create a new dashboard by clicking on this new one, or you can also start with suggested templates such as website visits, analytics, and some more. So on our case, let's create a new dashboard and put right here the dashboard name. Like for example, let's just name it this as our backup. And you can choose right here the permission, click on Create, and then after that, the dashboard will be created. Click on this Go to your dashboard in order to open it, and then from in there, you can find the report dashboard already created through this way. In here, you can see the actual dashboard. You can just start adding content. Just click on this and add right here report, image, text, and likes. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.